Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned salmon and rice full guide. Start by rinsing 1 cup rice and bringing 2 cups water to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cover. While rice cooks, drain a can of salmon and flake it with a fork. Mix salmon into rice with 2 tablespoons olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and salt to taste for a simple, hearty meal. In this video, I will show how to make canned salmon and rice full guide. Measure ingredients before you begin so cooking flows smoothly and you avoid overcooking rice. Prepare 1 can salmon, 1 cup rice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and chop optional veggies. Keep salt and pepper nearby and have a lemon ready. This small prep step makes assembly quick and keeps textures bright and balanced when you mix everything together at the end. In this video, I will show how to make canned salmon and rice full guide. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort on long kitchen days, perfect when you're standing at the stove. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make canned salmon and rice full guide. Toast rice in 1 tablespoon oil for 1 to 2 minutes to deepen flavor, then add water and simmer covered for the proper texture. Flake salmon gently so it blends evenly, and fold into rice off the heat to keep moisture intact. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and lemon after mixing so every bite is balanced and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.